Hi there, so today we're doing another shoe revamp. I called it part 2. So here are how the shoes are. Some stones have gone away and the client just gave it to me to please do something about it. So what I did first of all was to take off the stones, then I removed the thread and this white pad that was stuck to it. Now this pad is the padded that we use in making fascinators, molding it. Alright, so I did that for the second, and then I took what I call thinner. I just put it in this container. I bought it in a different container, and I am using it to wipe up the glue stains. You can try using petrol or kerosene. I think that would work better, but I use thinner. Now before we go into how I designed it, we have this upcoming training, Miss Class 3, coming up on Telegram on the 22nd of April, and you're going to be learning how to make this beautiful butterfly bow tie. You're going to be learning how to make this boutonniere and also the lapel. Do check the link below for the dventcraft Academy and sign up for this training. Now let's get back to today's tutorial. So the next thing I did was to take the padded that I told you about. Now since I had a sample already from the previous one, what I did was to use it and cut off the same size. Now this padded is to enable me to be able to stick a design on top of the slippers, or would you call it a shoe? I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. So what I did was I used my uhu gum and layered it like so, and I took Peter Sham. I took Peter Sham to cover up the padded, so that's, or you can call it interfacing or wording. Yes, that's in that thing it's being called. It's what they use for duvet. Light duvet. Okay, so I chopped up the excess, leaving some space so I could use my uhu gum and glue all the edges all the way around. Keep watching and learning. Okay, while you watch the gluing, I would like to let you know that if you want to know more about the dventcraft Academy, I would advise you click the link in the description below, and we would let you know all the classes that we have available. They are a wide range and you don't want to miss them. Now that done, I took my lace trimmings that I have, the silver lace trimmings. I really love designing with it. It's so bright and lovely. The design is colorful. Okay, so after measuring and cutting out the same length as the padded that I just covered, I used lighter to burn the edges so it doesn't peel off from there. And I'm going to use my uhu gum now on each so that I can stick it on the padded that I've covered with Peter Sham. Keep watching and learning. Now the next step in the shoe revamp was that I used my uhu gum all over and also in between, and then I decided to make it stronger by using the Revamp super glue. Yes, with the Revamp super glue it ain't coming away, but I just used it just at the edges. You don't need to put much, just at the edges, and then I put it in position on the slippers. This is the slippers, isn't it? I ask you to let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to do that, please. Okay, so I'm using my hand to make sure it sticks perfectly well, and you should do that also. And this is what came up from that. Alright, so do let me know, do you prefer the old design or the new design? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, give me a thumbs up and move ahead if you haven't subscribed to click that subscribe button and the bell also, so you get notified when I upload new videos. Check out this new shoe revamp over there.